So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can scale your seminar to six figure. Maybe you're at $3,000 and you want to reach $15,000 or maybe about $10,000. Then this is the exact roadmap that you can follow in order to scale your company. We will discuss acquisition systems and content process and delivery process. Okay, so that you can scale efficiently. So let's talk about this. So to acquire new clients, we have to firstly understand the pain points. But I'm taking an example of fitness influencers. If you are someone who is targeting fitness influencers, then you can just take this. The pain points of fitness influencers are monetization problem, relying on platform algorithm, and no predictable way to get personal training clients. After that, to build an offer that is undeniable. Okay, this is the kind of demo offer you can expect. How X fitness influencers are using XYZ framework to get dream outcome without any pain, or they will get $3,000 for wasting their time. Let me tell you the mindset behind this. How X fitness influencers, this X represents the credibility of us giving the results to our clients. Okay, so let's say 50 fitness influencers have actually gained a lot of PT clients, so that is our credibility that we have helped 50 plus clients. And the next thing is XYZ framework, that is the basic mechanism, the unique mechanism that you are using to give results to your clients. The dream outcome is basically the outcome they want from your services. So for example, for real estate, we can talk about deals. After that, without any painful problem, and the pains are listed over here, okay, relying on platform or monetization problem or no predictable system to get personal training clients every single month, okay, or they will get $3,000 for wasting their time. So I have positioned this thing. How have I positioned this? For example, your service costs $3,000. So you're taking $3,000 and you're guaranteeing them that if they don't get results, they will get the $3,000 back. This is basically a refund, but I have framed it in a way so that it will be much more valuable or much more attention grabbing to the marketplace. Now, after you sort out offer, because offer is the most important thing, then we'll go to direct sales funnel. So here with this funnel, you can sell your done for you service. Okay, this is not for done with you or do it yourself. You can sell directly your done for you service, that is a high ticket service. I'm giving you an example over here of my company, how I do this. So I have my offer over here. I send the lead, the traffic to a form. They submit the form. We tell them to book a call. A lot of people who will not book a call with us, basically our leads, are going to be into a automated follow-up. This is AI. Okay, this is AI who takes care of the conversation and ensures that the lead converts into the appointment. Meanwhile, we also add them to different email automation and SMS automation so that they will get nurtured time and time again, and we can send them the content assets so that we can build trust and credibility. And ultimately, they will book a call. And after the book a call, they will be either closed or they will be either not be closed. Okay, so the people who will not be closed will again go into another sequence through which we are going to nurture them through content assets, and eventually we're going to sell them. So this is the direct sales funnel that you can use to get appointments as soon as possible. Now after that, I have another model that no one is talking about, but most of the people are using this. The SMMA gurus are using this, and they are making fuck ton of money from this. So let me explain it to you. So what we have to do is, firstly, we're going to sell them information plus guidance. Okay, now for that, what we're going to do is we're going to run a simple indoctrination video funnel. So what it does is basically, so first we run ads, we send them to a landing page, and then we tell them to watch a video, which is basically a VSL. Plus you have to give a lot of value in that so that people understand that yes, you know the things and you know how things work. And after that, they will book a call. And a lot of people who will just see this ad, they will also go to my profile, which is optimized, and they will also go to my YouTube, which is optimized. Plus I have content assets in place. So I'll build credibility, and the people who will go here will also book a call with me. Plus the people who haven't booked a call with me, for example, they have watched the video but haven't booked a call with me, I'll do an AI appointment setting with them. Plus I'll send them follow-ups and reminders in order to get them into the call, get them into the conversation, okay, or maybe help them book an appointment with me. So when they will come to the call, we have to sell them the coaching. So in coaching, we can give them information that I told you about, information plus guidance. That is also, you can use school in order to give them the information plus the community. But this should be really, really valuable, which will help them to transform in some aspect of their life. So once they get to know that yes, you can provide results, and you give them the opportunity to experience your services in a done with you manner, then you can upsell them for full done for you. okay, or you can cross sell them for the next solution. Let me explain it what you can cross sell them for the next solution. For example, you are selling your SMM services, and you are getting them leads and plus appointments, but they are having a hard time to manage all the appointments, and they want to contact the leads by calling them, but they don't have anyone who can do that on their behalf. So what you can do is you can cross sell them to a next solution of VA. You can provide them VA and you can take the commission, and the VA will help them to not only call the leads but also help them to manage their appointments and all the stuff. So this is how you can scale your agency to the next level. Okay, this is the acquisition system. Now let's talk about the content process, because only acquisition will not help you. To build it sustainably, we need to place the contents in a place so that every single one who is coming to your profile will perceive you as an expert. Let's talk about content process. So in this acquisition system, we have figured out the pain points of our niche. Okay, now what we're going to do is we have these problems. I'm sure you're going to get many of the problems that you can list within your niche. Then what we have to do is we're going to find out the sub problems. Sub problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these sub problems are going to be our topics. After they become our topics, we're going to script them and structure them in a specific way that people will watch the video. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to record it, we're going to edit it, and we're going to post the content assets in YouTube or Instagram, whatever it is. Okay, now after that we have the delivery process. It is a huge thing. I'll discuss it in a later video. I'll tell you the exact way to map out everything so that you can map out your delivery system, because it is really important to map out your delivery process so that you can know what is your KPIs and what type of structure you're looking for, what type of SOPs you need, what type of tracking system you need. It basically simplifies every single thing. So this is the best scaling plan that you can get in the market. Okay, this is the exact way I've used to scale two of my companies, a consulting company and one of my real estate marketing company, to multiple six figures. I'm giving this value for free, and if you think that I can help you out, then you can book a call with me. You can check the link in the description and you can book a call with me. Until then, you can watch my videos, because I'm going to provide a lot of value to you. Thank you so much.